Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, vlogs, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fragrance personality tag. Shout out to Simply Aisha. I'll leave her channel link down below. She is the one that created this tag. She did tag some YouTubers. She didn't tag me, but I'll comment it in the comments on her video, and she said, hey, you should definitely do this video. So I said, okay, why not? So here we are, and we are going to do my fragrance personality with her questions. So the first question is, what is your boss babe scent? I think some of you know this, but for me, BR 540 The Extrait is one of my boss babe fragrances. I know this is super popular and everybody's over it, but it's something about this fragrance that just makes me feel so confident. This is one of my first niche fragrances, and I always tell y'all this reminds me of my dad. And my dad, ever since I was a little girl, he made me feel like I was that girl. You know what I'm saying? If I come home like, Dad, they was laughing at me, they said I had big lips and a big nose and da da da, he'd be like, but how do you feel about your lips? How do you feel about your nose? I think I like my lips, I like my nose. Then that's all that matters. It's about how you feel about yourself is what matters. You know what I'm saying? So he always made me feel like a boss babe and always let me know you're that girl and don't let nobody else tell you otherwise. So I think about him when I wear this, and this makes me feel very confident. Very confident. I feel like I am that girl when I wear it, and I just love this scent. I can wear it anywhere, dress it up, dress it down. I can do whatever in this. I can wear it all year round. Like, I just love this. And BR 540 The Extrait is always going to be a boss babe fragrance for me. Next question is, what is your go-to bedtime scent? I decided to pick something clean. I was thinking pick something gourmand and cozy and comfy and all of that, but I really just want something clean, because when it's clean, I can wear it any time of the year, anytime, you know, of the month, like all of that. You know, I can just wear it and just feel good. And that's gonna be Lazy Sunday Morning, honey. This is the fragrance that got me into just clean linen, clean laundry, fresh smells, and I just love that. Like, I can wear a clean laundry, clean linen scent any day. You know what I'm saying? Because who don't want to smell clean? You know what I'm saying? So this is definitely a go-to bedtime scent for me. I love it. I usually just wear it when Aunt Flo is around, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I love Lazy Sunday Morning and anything that smells like clean linen and clean laundry. Next question is, what is your hug in a bottle? So most people choose like gourmand type of scents and cozy, comfy scents for their hug in a bottle. But my hug in a bottle is more like something that reminds me of Big Mama. You know what I'm saying? Like hugging her in her bosom and all of that. And for me, that is Poudre by Narciso Rodriguez. Like this, I love this scent. Now, you have to love powdery, like kind of cosmetic powdery scents, but it has a sweetness and a floralness to it, and it really smells like the most luxurious baby powder you ever smelled in your life. And I love this. It just smells like a clean Big Mama. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm young, I'm running home from school, and I bust the door open, and Big Mama is there. You hug her, you all in her bosom, and she smells like Poudre, and then you turn your head and honey, you smell macaroni and cheese, greens, cornbread, yams, and a pot roast, all cooked and ready to eat at 3 in the afternoon. Okay, that's what this reminds me of, Big Mama. Okay, and I just love it. It's like a hug in a bottle. It just gives you like a secureness, a comfort, and yeah, like this is cozy and comforting to me. What is your secret weapon of mass destruction? Well, my secret weapon of mass destruction is definitely not a secret, because you already know what it is. Like, it's definitely Black Phantom. I absolutely love Black Phantom. Like, I know this isn't for everybody, but it's definitely for me. It's a unisex scent, and I just feel like this is such a sexy, chocolatey, coffee type of scent. It's chocolatey, it's coffee, it's nutty, a little spicy, a little powdery. It's very sensual and alluring, and it's just something about Black Phantom that I just love this. It never fails. When I wear this, it never fails. I love it. And I think because it's unisex, like, other women are like, ooh, you smell good, what is that? And then other men are like, damn, you smell good. Like, everybody loves that scent on me, loves it. What is a fragrance you never wear but you can't part with? That is going to be Dom Rosa. I never wear this, but I don't want to get rid of it because I do like it, but I never reach for it. I feel like every time I want to go reach for it, I reach for something else, and I don't know why. Like, I don't know why. I want to reach for it because I do like the champagne note. I like the rose in it, and it's kind of got like a woody. It's like a woody rose with a sparkly champagne on top. But y'all, I never pulled for it. I've definitely worn it like once, but I haven't worn it again, and I don't know why. And I don't want to get rid of it because I do like it. So Dom Rosa. What is one of your favorite fragrances that you don't wear enough? If you recently saw my perfume collection video, Blanche Bette was in there, and I love Blanche Bette. This is one of my favorite fragrances in my collection, but I hardly ever wear it. Why? I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I love it so much and I don't want to use it up. I don't know. It used to be so hard to get this fragrance, but now, you know, you can get it now because it's not super popular like it was. But I love everything about this. I love the way it smells. It's a creamy, nutty, tuberosy kind of just lactonic type of fragrance, and it just smells so good. But the tuberose still keeps it floral too, you know what I'm saying? So it has a lactonicness to it, but to me it's not like too milky. It's still definitely a very wearable type of lactonic fragrance. The performance on it is good. It's like nothing that I don't like about this fragrance. You can wear it all year round, day, night, dress it up, dress it down. Like, I don't know why I don't pull for it, because I absolutely love this. So I need to put this on my tray because I need to wear this, girl. What is a fragrance that you would recommend to a beginner that wants to smell unique? I tried not to. I saw a couple other people's videos, but I tried not to pull the same fragrances that they did. But I think Aisha did pull this one, and I have to agree with her that Ambrosia Imperial is just perfection in a bottle for anybody, whether you like niche or you're just getting started into niche, because it has that gourmandness to it. And a lot of times when people are beginners, pretty much everybody likes gourmands at first, you know what I'm saying? Everybody likes sweet, and you know, and something that kind of smells like food a little bit. But this is a very wearable gourmand. Like, this still smells like a fragrance. You get the gourmand nuances to it, of course, but it smells like a fragrance. Every time I smell this, I'd be like, girl, she shook the table. AI, you shook the table with this girl. This has everything in it that you will want. So it has got that banana note. For me, the banana sings through the whole time of the fragrance. Like, some people just get it in the beginning and not in the end, but I get it the whole time I'm wearing it. Saffron equals sexy. We already established that, like, saffron is in a lot of fragrances that I would consider sexy type of fragrances. And it's boozy, so you know, I don't know, it's got all those facets to it, but I still feel like a beginner would smell this and be like, oh wow, this is different, because they damn sure ain't smelled nothing like this, but they're gonna be like, oh, I like it. It's sweet, it smells good. They are going to love this, and you're going to smell unique. Like, even with my collection, I have a lot of stuff and I have a lot of unique fragrances, but this is absolutely one of the most unique fragrances in my collection, and I love Ambrosia Imperial. What is a fragrance that you love but everyone else seems to hate? We gotta go with the good girl, Chinatown. Nobody likes Chinatown but me, AI, and Veronica Says. Like, we like the only people that like it. Oh, it smells so good. So I always tell y'all it reminds me of cherry blossoms, and I think it's because of this, but it doesn't smell like cherry. It smells like a bubblegummy sweet tuberose with spicy cardamom. That's what it smells like. It's cardamom, vanilla, and tuberose. You have to like tuberose because the tuberose is the star of the show in here for me. The tuberose and the cardamom, and then that vanilla just makes it so nice and sweet. And I don't know why people don't like this. Now, Bond number 9 is a house that you do have to test and sample, because they have a certain kind of DNA that don't rock with everybody. But this one, I think it's just so unique, so different. Maybe that's another reason why I like it, because it is unique and it's different. And the performance on this is great. Like, I have no performance issues with this, but yeah, a lot of people don't like this. They say it smells, they don't like the smell. They say it smells too mature, too old lady, and whatever, but girl, I don't know. I like me a spicy tuberose vanilla, and this is it. Next question is, what is an overhyped fragrance that you currently own? Now, as much as I enjoy this fragrance, like, I really like this fragrance. It smells so good, and I like wearing it, as you will see, but it is overhyped. And I only mean overhyped because it's not like anything groundbreaking and unique. But girl, TikTok blew up Narciso Musk Noir Rose. Like, this is such a good fragrance. Like, It smells so good. It's such an easy reach. You can grab it and go. Like, you know, you just know you're gonna smell good. So as you can see, I definitely love this fragrance. But I feel like when TikTok gets a hold of something, like, I feel like the TikTok girlies, they are used to smelling, you know, designer fragrances and stuff like that. So this smells like a designer fragrance. Like, it doesn't smell like anything that you haven't smelled before, is what I'm saying. Like, this smells very familiar to pretty much all of us. That's why we all love it, because it's an easy reach. We can grab it and go. We know we're gonna smell good. You can pretty much wear it any time of the year. If I don't know if it'll stand up in, like, in the cold, but like spring, summer, and fall, you can absolutely wear this. But girl, they got a hold of this and made it sound like it was just like this new magic that we never smelled before. You know what I'm saying? So when I got it, I was like, oh, this definitely smells good. You know, I kind of knew what it was going to smell like. But the fact that it just be selling out every 5 minutes is like, dang. Like, now you could probably get your hands on it now because it's not hot outside. But when it gets warm outside, this tends to sell out. So yeah, I mean, definitely grab it. It's an easy reach, easy grab and go, like I said, and it's affordable, you know. So I still recommend it, like, I really do. But girl, they went in on this like this was the new Baccarat or something. What's a fragrance that is on the chopping block? Honey, this Nectar by Commodity, this is a no ma'am for me. Now luckily I did find it a new home. One of my loyal subscribers, she said she loves this fragrance. I was like, baby, give me your address because I'm sending it to you. Like, no problem, you can have it. I have never used this fragrance. I sprayed it to test it out and was like, this is not for me. It's just so green, and it smells like not, it does not smell like the notes. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. It don't smell like the notes at all. It smells like the inside of a real flower, you know, like a flower. I don't know what those flowers are, but it's those pretty, they come in like purple and pink, and I don't know what it is. And then they have these two like yellow little stem things that stick up out of them, and I think like the bees go get like nectar and pollen and stuff. That's what it smelled like. It smelled like that. It smelled just like that flower, the greenness of the flower, the stem, the flower, that yellow stuff that's in the middle. Like, this smells like the bees is about to go make some honey with this. Like, it's a no for me. But she loves it, and as long as she loves it, I'm gonna send it to her so she can enjoy it, because this is a no ma'am for me. What is the last fragrance you purchased? So actually yesterday, after I have been on a no buy for a while, I purchased 2 fragrances this weekend, and the last one I just purchased was Haley by Tiziana Terenzi. So that's not new to the community. The girls was hollering about it last summer, I think, the summer before this, maybe, I don't know, but it's not new to the community. But I never had it, always wanted it, and I found it for a great price, and honey, I snatched it up. So when Haley gets here, I'm gonna give y'all the tea. Well, my opinion, y'all probably already know what it smells like because y'all already got it. Y'all seen reviews on it and all of that, but I cannot wait to wear it. What fragrance is at the top of your wish list? Well, girl, should I do a wish list video? That might be a good idea. I'm gonna do a fall wish list video. How about that? But anyway, the fragrance that was on the top of my wish list was Guidance by Amouage. I have been wanting that since it dropped. I have been wanting everybody, not everybody actually, and that's another thing that intrigues me. It gets like so many different reviews. Either it's one of those, either you love it or you hate it type of fragrances. And the reason why I'm saying it was at the top of my list is because my good girl, my good Judy, Tresses of Alexis, sent me a decant, honey. That decant was so big, child, I might not need no Guidance for a long time, honey, because she almost sent me half the bottle. So I don't need the bottle right now, so I have enough to use, but I haven't worn it yet. I just tested it on my hand, so I ain't gonna say nothing yet. But that was at the top of my wish list. Now I got that little real fat decant. I'm gonna go to the next one, which is Possibilities by La Perla. I still want that fragrance, and it's still always sold out and so hard to get. So I need to get Possibilities for sure. That's like #1 on my list now. What is your #1 fragrance for life? Now, of course, that is a hard question, but I had to think about something that I can wear any time of the year. I could dress it up, dress it down. I can wear it day, night. I can wear it to run errands. I can wear it to a wedding. I can wear it to date night. I can wear it like anytime. It could literally be my signature scent, and I think y'all kind of know what it's gonna be, and it is Delina Exclusive. Like, I had to go with this one. This is one of my favorite fragrances in my collection, and the reason why I picked this one is because it checks all the boxes. Like, I can do anything with this, and the performance is top tier. Okay, longevity on 10, sillage on 10, projection on 10, like all of that. And I just love the way it smells. I am personally a rose lover, but this is a creamy rose with a little incense smokiness, a little bit of oud, but it's all blended to perfection. It's super feminine, super girly, and I just love everything about Delina Exclusive. Like, this will never not be in my collection, and because it does everything and performs perfectly, it's got to be my number one. So that is my fragrance personality at the moment. Thank you so much to Simply Aisha for encouraging me to go ahead and do this video. It was definitely fun because we get in the rut of seeing all the same repeat videos. Like, it's fall now, so we're gonna have a million vanilla videos, we're gonna have a million caramel videos, a million coffee videos. Like, it's just, you know what I mean? So this was fun to kind of break up the repetitive type of content. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.